on YouTube for a month and you've not gotten 1,000 subscribers, something is wrong. There is something you are not doing well, and this video will help put you through on the right strategy to apply to get 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days. You heard me right, I said 3 days. You have checked through my page here on YouTube, and also my previous video I have shared a couple of my experience how I was able to get up to 5,000 subscribers in just 3 days. So please stay tuned, watch this video to the end, because this video will help you get the right audience, the right subscribers to subscribe to your channel, while you also build a very good community base here on YouTube that will continuously watch your long form video. So my name is Chioma and this is Learn with Chioma. On this channel I speak about YouTube growth, help new YouTubers do YouTube the right way, get monetize fast, even faster than you ever think. I appreciate my subscribers. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you very much. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so that every time and anytime I upload new video here on YouTube, you'll get notified to watch my latest updates here on my channel. So guys, please, without further ado, I'm going to be sharing my, how we do it. I like to be very practical. I'm going to be sharing my screen recording on how you can get the right subscribers on your channel, regardless of the niche your channel actually belong to. This strategy will help you attract the right audience and the right subscribers to subscribe to your channel. By so doing, help grow your long form videos, get more views on your long form videos. So please, as a long form content creator, this will really help you get the right audience subscribe to your channel. So please watch this video to the end so that you don't miss it at any point. Watch it to the end and see you in the next clip. Thank you. So I'm going to my Play Store to download InstaSave on my phone. So if you're using Play Store or Apple Store, you just go to your Play or Apple Store to download InstaSave application. So I'm downloading it directly on my phone through my Play Store. So once I'm done downloading, to enable the application so that it's going to be working for me on the phone. So once you click on open, you allow it to download. Just give it some time. You can see it's loading. So you see, because you're using free version, some ad is going to play up. Just cancel it. So I've gone to Instagram to look for particular content which is related to my niche, how to make money online. So I'm going to look out for a particular video that went viral on Instagram. So look out for that, please. Once you're using this strategy, make sure you use a viral video on Instagram which is related to your niche. Emphasis on related to your niche is very important. So you see this particular video had already 1.1 million views. So I'm going to be downloading it. I'll click on the video, then click on that arrow sign to share, click on copy link so that you'll be able to download this particular video directly on your phone. So I'll go to my Instagram InstaSave which I already downloaded and paste the link there. Voila. So now link successfully pasted. So I'll allow it to download. Because you're using free version, you'll be getting some ad play up on the interface. So just allow it to play up, then you cancel. So now the video is downloading. So now video has successfully downloaded to my phone gallery. So now I'll be doing a separate video through my camera. So I'll just be doing a reaction video towards that video already downloaded through Instagram. So I'm not talking actually, but showing just different body signs. So now I'll go to my video on InShot to edit that particular video I actually reacted, so that it's going to merge together with the one I already downloaded from Instagram. So just ignore the ads, allow them to play up, then you click on cancel. So now this is a video already uploaded through Instagram on my phone. So now I'm going to be merging it together with that particular reaction video which I already done separately, and I'm going to be putting it in one side or one corner of that particular video I already downloaded through Instagram. So I'm just going to be overlaying it by clicking PIP. So once you click on PIP, so you select the particular video you want to overlay on this particular one I already downloaded. So I'm also going to be removing the background so that it doesn't disrupt viewers from seeing whatever thing that is showing on the interface. So I'm going to click on cut out so that the you can see right now. So I've done cut out so that the video will just be transparent on that particular video, so that viewers will be able to see whatever background the original video came with. So right now I'll just be reacting to that particular video downloaded through Instagram. So now, because this video is already in my niche custom, I can just put caption that will attract my audience or anyone that is interested in making money online, so that they'll have no option but to subscribe to my channel. So now I'm just going to reduce the volume of that particular original video that I downloaded, and I'm going to be putting a music already downloaded from YouTube gallery, just to lighten up the video and make it very interesting for my audience to enjoy. So right now, for you to get 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days, you have to repeat this process. Like minimum of 3 to 4 times every day. I'm not saying you have to use this particular same video. You just go to Instagram, look out for another video also in your niche, download and react to it, and also upload on your YouTube Shorts. This will help get audience through your YouTube Shorts to subscribe to your channel. So as you're uploading videos, you're also putting very good and catchy captions that will attract your audience to subscribe to your channel. So this is a very proven strategy that have worked and is still working. So I employ every of my subscribers that is finding it difficult to get 1,000 subscribers. Please use this step-by-step guide and you would see results. I'm so very much sure about it. So for you to be able to see results, please don't forget, make sure you repeat this same process by uploading as many videos as possible on a daily basis. So you are not doing too much, just to download viral videos through your Instagram to your phone gallery by using InstaSave, edit it, react to it, and upload on your YouTube Shorts. While you're reacting to that video, is just to make that video authentic, so that you don't get copyright issues. So try this particular strategy and let me know the results in the comment section. So guys, thank you very much if you've watched this video up until this time. I so much really appreciate. Like I said earlier, please try this particular strategy and let me know the feedback in the comment section. I thank you very much for always subscribing to my channel and watching all my videos. Thank you, and I trust this video helps you and you get that particular threshold you like to get. You can see I'm uploading this video on my YouTube Shorts already, so you just allow it to load. Thank you very much for your time. Till we meet again in my next video, do have a wonderful week ahead. Have a good day. Bye for now. Bye.